the Tribit FlyBuds 1. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at a compact budget pair of earbuds, the Tribit FlyBuds 1. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The FlyBuds 1 features 6 hours of listening time, 36 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour, and it takes 70 minutes to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, USB-C for charging, and wireless, and it's IPX8 waterproof. The case is compact and small in size. It has a hard shell that is made of a TPE material. It's not slippery and it has a grippy feel to it. On the lid you have the branding, and also on the top you have a carrying loop for a lanyard. The left side you have the USB-C charge port. Opening the lid you will find the charge status LEDs. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and you can grip the earbuds easily to remove from the case. This also has wireless charging as mentioned earlier, and here it is on the charger. You can see it activate. The earbuds have a simple design to them. They're plastic all around and are a bit slippery. The outer face has the ear markings, and they're also a symmetrical design so they can be worn on either ear. You also have the button controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, button controls, microphone, and LED. Here they are side by side. Controls are straightforward. A few press or long hold will get you the desired function. The case comes in at 2.3 by 1.4 inches. It weighs in at 70 grams, and the earbuds come in roughly at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tribit FlyBuds 1 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The overall microphone quality came in a bit low for my liking. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. And when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the FlyBuds 1. They formed a tight seal and it does require a slight twist to get them seated properly. They felt secured and the button controls don't require that much pressure when navigating. For me, it did add some pressure in my ear canals after using it for extended periods of time. Build and quality is solid. The case has a hard, rugged feel to it, and it should have no issues for those that lead active lifestyles. Earbuds are simple and have a slim profile so they don't protrude out. The button controls are responsive and I had no issues with them when navigating call controls and playback. It's nice to see wireless charging and USB-C, especially at this price point. And battery life is good, coming at 6 hours and 36 total with the case. Now when it comes to sound, these remind me of the MPOW T5s. Bass is definitely present for its small size. It's punchy and tight. It's also important to take the time and choose the correct ear tips or else it won't sound right. Mids and highs come in clear and are a bit forward, almost like a boosted feel to them. Vocals and instruments definitely stand out, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, for the price point, I think this has good value. It has some features that you don't typically see at this lower price end. This will definitely be great for those that lead active lifestyles, as the IPX rating will protect you from the elements, or if you just want to use it for casual listening. So that is my review of the Tribit FlyBuds 1 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.